Easy dog care advice everyone should know. Perfection is in the eye of the beholder. Whether or not you've made mistakes with your dog doesn't matter as long as you have always provided them with love. That said, read on to find out more about tips and tricks regarding your dog and how to avoid some mistakes others have made. Always give your dog plenty of attention and affection. When your dog behaves properly, make sure you let the dog know you are happy and give them some affection. This will help reinforce the good behavior and the dog will try to behave in this manner for the positive attention. Schedule regular veterinary visits. Regular veterinary exams are extremely important for your dog's overall health. As with humans, it is important to catch any health problems early on. The vet will make sure that your dog is up to date on his vaccinations, and check for any other issues such as weight and dental problems or parasites. Some people think that it is necessary to bath a dog often. The truth is that unless your dog gets into something to get dirty, they only need bathed once every 2 to 4 months. Bathing more often could strip their skin of the oils they need for a healthy coat and skin. When you brush your dog every day, you reduce shedding problems and benefit your dog's health in many ways. Brushing daily will give them a shiny, beautiful coat. This is mainly due to the fact that brushing allows the oils in the skin to be distributed evenly. That keeps the skin soft, shiny, and healthy. Know the basics of pet first aid if you have a dog in your family. Being able to react quickly in an emergency, such as your pooch being bitten by a snake, can mean the difference between life and death. Read a good book on the subject or ask your vet to brief you on the basics. If your dog is a digger, make sure to protect him and your garden. Some plants are poisonous to dogs, not to mention the damage those paws can do to your prized flowers and produce. Put up an appropriately sized fence to keep him out or consider using an electric one. It is very important for you to keep your dog's ears clean. Keeping the inside of the ears clean will help prevent infections of the ear. This is also a good time for you to inspect the ear for fleas, ticks and any other pests that could have made your dog's ear home. If you are in the market for a purebred pooch, consider checking your local shelter. A lot of people give their dogs to the pound because they can no longer keep their pet for whatever reason. All you have to do is give your local shelter a call, and you can find out which breeds they have. You could save a dog's life by doing so. Perfect advice is impossible to find. That said, what you have watched here is a great start to your dog education. While your dog and your situation differ from those of the authors, the general knowledge you have gained is priceless. Make use of what you have learned today to make for a better tomorrow. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.